problem is you have to be able to train again on a Monday and train again on a Tuesday, and that's where it gets a little bit tricky when you don't do stuff where you have to put back what you've taken out of your system.
The purpose of a recovery product is to replenish the fluid and electrolytes that are lost during an exercise session, as well as to provide the body with the amino acids and the glucose that also would be lost during the exercise session, and to allow for muscle repair and recovery.
The biggest flaw in our environment currently is not training itself, and the environment and the supplementation and the food that we take for training. It is actually not training it when we're done, and that's really important. So when we do stretch out, that's our normal week. We'll take something before, we'll take something during, and we'll obviously in training we'll take something afterwards.
In terms of team sports where they're playing weekly, the most important, I always say, is sort of straight after that big event. You know, often they'll have a big event and then the next event is only at the end of the week. Everyone neglects the nutrition straight after that day, and often it's on the Sunday and the Monday, whereas that's very, very important to keep up that nutrition, because your endurance starts again in the week when you're building up to your next event.
We find another metabolic state is when you go to bed and sleep at night. It's a fantastic time for your body to recover all the work you've done in the day. When you're resting, your body rebuilds itself. And we feel that a product that can suit that time of the day and help your body recover and rebuild itself is a fantastic product for any athlete.
You take so much out and you want to perform at your peak performance the next day, otherwise it's no use for training. And you have to put really the right things into your system and get the right advice of what you put in.
Very important after we've played is to take something for recovery so that the body recovers, because next Monday we'll be back in the same schedule of training twice a day and training.
So we looked at the three-phase process: during, slightly before and during, straight after exercise is the most important window, as well as a nighttime product.